Casa das Folhagens, located in Atlântida, RS, is a project designed by Mayresse Arquitetura, selected by the owner, who is also an architect and artist. The client's dream was to have a residence with brutalist architecture using exposed concrete to ensure low maintenance, considering its proximity to the sea. The volume of the house is composed of two overlapping volumes. The upper volume, where the private area of the residence is located, consisting of 3 suites, is slightly larger than the lower one, projecting both to the front and to the back. This overlap creates balconies on the lower floor, taking advantage of the shaded areas created by the volumes. In addition, the project stands out for the strategically positioned flower boxes on the front and back facades, which emphasize the foliage that will be planted there, reinforcing the dialogue between brutalist architecture and nature. Internally, on the first floor, the integration of spaces is enhanced by a double-height ceiling in the social area, large glass panels, and round skylights that provide abundant natural lighting and a visual connection with the surroundings. On this same floor, we created an office that also serves as a guest suite during the summer. The residence also features works of art distributed throughout the rooms, highlighted by the contrast with the exposed concrete. All of the pieces were signed by the owner herself, who is currently fully dedicated to her career as a visual artist. This project reflects the fusion of brutalism, art, and sustainability, resulting in a timeless residence that combines aesthetics, functionality, and the unique personality of its owner. These images beautifully depict the interaction of overlapping volumes, with the upper floor extending outward to create shaded balconies below. The drawings highlight the use of flower boxes, which blend brutalist concrete with lush green foliage, a concept woven throughout the design. The sections emphasize the double-height ceiling in the social area and the way natural light is harnessed through large glass panels and skylights. These design elements not only ensure a strong connection between interior spaces and nature, but also demonstrate the integration of sustainable solutions. Inside, the residence embraces textures that soften the rawness of the concrete, creating a harmonious balance. This is exemplified by the use of a checkered floor pattern and wall cladding that mimics intricately detailed stones, bringing a layer of refinement to the interior. To further soften these elements, the architect incorporated wood accents in the form of slatted panels and a staircase, lending a sense of lightness and warmth to the space. Black details were used subtly and intentionally to contrast with the natural tones, appearing sparingly in the fireplace, lighting strips, and window frame edges, ensuring they don't overpower the ambiance. These design elements carry through to the suites, where the harsher textures give way to sleeker, more minimalist surfaces, creating a serene, rational environment ideal for relaxation. On the ground floor, the space flows seamlessly, enhanced by a double-height ceiling in the social area, large glass panels, and circular skylights that flood the space with natural light, offering an immersive connection to the surrounding environment.